So I currently have an HTML page open with one line of text. And really my next step is to add more content to this page, in particular text. Now, I'm going to actually get that content from another location, actually from a Word document. So I'm going to hide Dreamweaver. I'm going to go to my exercise files folder, into assets, and I'm going to locate this website content document. It's a Word doc. As I open it up, you can see all of the content. And this is usually how you'd get content for a website. Maybe it's one Word doc and it has all of the various sections kind of broken out just like you see here. That's exactly how this one is set up, and really what I want to do is I want to take this content and bring it into Dreamweaver. But let's first take a look at some of this text, because it already has formatting applied to some of this text. As in this first line, it does say that it has heading 1 attached to it already. Just a times 18-point bold. There's some other bold text in here, this second line here. I just take a look at it. It has heading 2 applied to it as well. Some italics as well. But in general, I'm going to keep all of this formatting. I want to copy all of this text, and I want to go into Dreamweaver. In Dreamweaver, I'm just going to delete that first line, and I'm going to go to Edit, Paste, Special. So I'll show you what this contains. It gives me the ability to just paste in the text with no formatting whatsoever. Or I can paste in text with just some basic structure, or text with structure plus some basic formatting that includes bold, italics, headings, and the like. This fourth option actually does a little bit too much because it's full formatting. So it will want to include a reference to the font for each tag, and it just gets really messy really fast. So I advise you to select option 3 when in doubt and click OK. And you can see that it brings in all of the formatting for that text. And as I select it, notice that this top line does say that it is heading 1. The text underneath it is paragraph text. I can see this second line is heading 2. So I can start to explore all of this text, and everything got brought in appropriately. Even this italics right here, I can in fact select this whole line right here, and I can give it, instead of just italics, I can also make it bold. So when I click on bold, it will make this text bold. Let's try that. It makes the text bold. Let's go to split view. Notice that it does say EM for emphasis. So it makes this line italics and bold, which is what strong is, and it makes this second part just bold or strong. So again, I didn't have to write these tags in. Dreamweaver does that for me. Not only does it understand formatting from other programs, it allows you to apply further formatting just by using the Properties panel. So I'll click back on Design View because the next step will be to link some of this text to other places.